Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, This Curvi Yogi. I am Jakita, and today is day number 27 of our 30 days of yoga series. And today we will be focusing on core work, and more importantly, we'll be focusing on boat pose and reverse table pose. So what you will need today is just your mat. So grab that and we will get started. So we're going to start seated. Sit with the spine tall, lifting the shoulders up and back. Chest is open. We'll start with our 3 breaths here. So let's inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. One more time, inhale and exhale. And then we'll start with the knees bent and the feet on the mat. You can start with the hands behind the thighs if you'd like. Lift the shoulders up and back. We're going to come into boat pose. So you're going to lean back, lift the legs. So the heels are kind of in line with the knees. Chest is open. Continue to breathe. And then slowly returning down to the mat, bringing the hands behind you. We're going to come into a reverse table. So everyone take an inhale here. And then exhale as you lift the hips up. Slowly returning down to the mat, bringing the hands back behind the thighs. We're going to do that 2 more times. So lift the shoulders up and back, lean back and lift the legs. Coming back to our boat pose. Slowly coming back down to the mat, bringing the hands behind. Inhale here. Exhale as you lift the hips up. Returning to the mat. Last time. Hands behind the thighs, shoulders up and back. Lean back and lift. Coming back to boat pose. And releasing, bringing the hands behind. Inhale here. Exhale as you lift. And coming back down. So from here, we're going to transition over to hands and knees to table pose. Once you get here, the wrists will be under the shoulders. And we're going to come into a knee down plank. So walk the knees back just a little bit. Restack the shoulders over the wrist. And make sure the core is working so you're not dropping down. It's nice and tight. And you can still breathe while you're engaging your core. So we're staying here just for a full breath. And then we're going to come into a side plank. So walk the left hand back just a little bit. We're going to turn that left foot to the side. Extend the right foot to the end of the mat and plant it down and reach the right arm up. Side plank. And then we'll slowly return, bringing that right hand back down, turning the left foot back and bringing the right knee in. And then we're just going to take a quick child's pose. So I like to widen the knees, bring the big toes to touch, and send the hips back towards the heels. And then the head can rest on the mat and the arms reach forward. We'll take about 3 breaths here. And then when you're ready, coming back up. So coming back to our knee down plank, walking the knees back, restacking the shoulders over the wrist. Take a full breath here. And then turn the right foot out to the side. Extend the left foot out. Plant it down. Keeping the right hand down. Reaching the left arm up. Side plank. And returning, bringing that left hand down, turning the right leg back, and bringing the left knee back. So we're going to transition back to seated. We're going back through our boat pose and reverse table flow 3 times. We're going to move a little faster this time. So with the shoulders up and back, lean back and lift. Full breath. Release, come down, bring the hands down. Inhale, exhale as you lift. Full breath. Release, coming back to our boat, lifting shoulders up and back. Lean back and lift. Full breath. Release, bring the hands behind, inhale. Exhale as you lift. And release. Last time, boat pose. Inhale, exhale as you lift. And release, bring the hands behind. Inhale, exhale as you lift. And release. And then we'll come back over into hands and knees to table pose. This time we're going to try a regular plank and regular side plank. So we'll start by coming into regular plank. You'll extend both legs behind you, engage the core, and then we'll shift over to our side plank. So coming into plank, take a full breath. And then shift the feet to the side. Reach the arm up. And release. Come down to the knees. Take a quick child's pose. And then we'll come back up and try the other side. So extend the feet or extend the legs. Full breath in your plank. And then shift the feet to the side. Lift the arm up. And release. Down to the knees. Walk the hands back. And we're sitting back on our heels. And we'll just end with our 3 breaths. So when you're ready, let's inhale. And exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Last time, inhale. And exhale. And exhale. Bring the palms together in front of your heart. Thank you so much for joining me today. I'll see you guys in my next video. Namaste.